Hello my TBDs, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over what I got from the Sephora Rouge sale. Last week is when the sale actually happened, and so I took advantage of picking up some of the things that I have been wanting to repurchase, but just they're so expensive, so I did not. So I figured that this sale would be a good opportunity to pick up some of the things that I have been meaning to replenish and also try a couple of new things. But before we jump into the video, be sure to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss out on my future videos. I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. This is also going up on a Wear Test Wednesday. I'm going to explain to you why that is. So basically I'm like running out of money to buy additional foundations for Wear Test Wednesday. So what I'm going to do is cut back on the Wear Test Wednesday to every other week instead of every single week. That way I'm still reviewing 2 new foundations a month, but I'm just not going broke trying to do it. So I hope you guys can understand that. I still will be continuing it, and maybe I don't know, maybe some months I'll do 3 instead of 2. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of inform you guys that's what my plan is going to be, and continuing Wear Test Wednesday every other week instead of every week. So the first thing that I got, because I did renew my Rouge status until 2020, like the end of 2019, I got it again for the following year. So they gave me this little clutch thing. I am assuming it's kind of like a makeup travel case. It's actually really nice. It's a bit roomy and it's nice leather. That's what I got for my VAB Rouge. Like, just the fact that I spent so much money, I get this little clutch thing. The next thing that I got from the sale is this Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray. It says it goes beyond moisture for strength, smoothness, and shine. So after I filmed my products that I bought for my hair and don't use video, I really wanted to try and see if I could find a spray that helps with heat protecting as well as smooths and shines my hair. And I have used this a few times already. I gotta say, this is really good. It smells amazing. Like, the smell is so clean and fresh, so I don't mind spraying this into my hair. And I also noticed that the smell does go away after I've sprayed it, so it's not going to stay in my hair all day long. This also acts as a detangler for your hair. Whenever I get out of the shower, I really struggle with brushing my hair. Like, my hair is all knotted and it's hard to brush through my hair. But after I get out of the shower, I'm applying this to my damp hair and my brush just goes through so smoothly. I have not been shocked by a hair product as much as I have with this. So if you're looking for a heat protectant slash like smoothing and shining slash detangler type of product for your hair, I would try this. It was, I think, 29 bucks. So not too expensive, but it says it's a conditioning detangling spray. And I really, really like to use this, especially on days that I am going to be curling my hair. I think this is a winner. I think this is the hair product I was looking for. The next thing I got from the sale is from Tatcha. This is the Silk Canvas Filter Finish Protective Primer. You'll see me testing out this primer here. I think over the next week I'll be uploading that video, so be sure to come back to my channel and see my thoughts on this. So I'm not going to share too much of what I thought about this product. I was so excited to test this one out, especially with how high of a price tag that it was. So I was really waiting for a sale to like say, yes, I want to purchase this item, and I got some money off from it. So that's kind of the way to go if you are saving for high-end products, like really high-end products. The sale is a good time to do that. Next, I bought the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. This says it's waterproof and sweat resistant. I will also be reviewing this in an upcoming Wear Test Wednesday, so be sure to come back and check that video out. I've heard really good things about this, especially for oily skin. I've heard that it looks really great. So come back for my next Wear Test Wednesday, because this will be the foundation that I'll be reviewing. I also bought another Keihl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. This sucker was like $70 something, and it has 1.7 ounces of product. It just has a ton of really awesome essential oils, and this is my holy grail serum that I do swear by. So I had to pick up one of these. I figured I'd just bite the bullet, get some money off for it. The last product I purchased was one that I already had. This is the OleHenriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. I am almost out of my current eye cream. I'm like scraping the bottom of my eye cream, but I had to purchase this again because I have been really enjoying the Banana Bright eye cream. I noticed that it helps with my dark circles right before I apply makeup. I don't get any of those weird little bumps underneath my eye from this, and I find that it does moisturize my under eyes really well, so I had to pick up another one. And then they also gave me 2 samples. I got the CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum from Sunday Riley as a sample, and then I also got the Keiehl's serum just in a sample size. That's everything that I bought from the sale. It doesn't seem like that many products, but my bank account really shows it. So I am curious, what did you guys pick up from this sale? Yeah, I'm just curious what you ended up purchasing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!